Hello everyone, we have here exponential equation, nested exponents on both sides of the equation. 2 to the power of 3 to the power of x equals 3 to the power of 2 to the power of x. And in this video, we'll be solving for the value of x. And before we start, for those new to my channel and for those who have not subscribed to my channel yet, I would appreciate it if you can hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting and informative videos. Thank you very much, and now let's start solving. So how are we going to solve for the value of x over here in this equation? Alright, let's do it this way. So we'll be taking the logarithm on both sides of the equation so we can take down the exponent and isolate it. And from there, we can solve for the value of the variable x. Alright, so let's do it. So we have 2 to the power of 3 to the power of x equals 3 to the power of 2 to the power of x. We're using the laws of natural logarithm. So now we're taking the natural logarithm on both sides of the equation. So it is now natural logarithm of 2 to the power of 3 to the power of x equals natural logarithm, or ln of 3 to the power of 2 to the power of x. Now we're taking down the exponent as coefficient, the same way on the right hand side. So the equation now becomes 3 to the power of x times ln of 2 equals 2 to the power of x times ln of 3. So from here, we are collecting all the variables to the left and the constant to the right. So this can be written the same way as divided by 1, the same thing. That we'll be putting this 2 to the power of x on the left and the constant ln of 2 to the right. So the equation now becomes 3 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of x equals ln of 3 divided by ln of 2. If you notice, left side of the equation, they both have the same exponent, variable x. So we can now combine that, numerator and the denominator. So this is now 3 divided by 2 to the power of x equals ln of 3 divided by ln of 2. Left side of the equation, we use the formula, exponent formula, that is a divided by b to the power of m, or exponent m, can be written the same way as a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. So from here to here, we use that on here. We combine the numerator and the denominator, since both have the same exponent, variable x. So from here now, we can separate variable x right there, exponent, by taking the natural logarithm on both sides of the equation again. So that's one more time. So the equation now becomes natural logarithm of 3 divided by 2 to the power of x is equal to natural logarithm of ln of 3 divided by ln of 2. Now we're taking down the exponent as a coefficient. So the equation now becomes x times ln of 3 divided by 2 is equal to right hand side ln of 3 divided by ln of 2. So from here, we can now separate the variable x by itself, isolate it, by dividing the whole equation with ln of 3 halves. So we're dividing the whole equation with ln of 3 halves, or natural logarithm of 3 halves. This one cancels, that's 1. And the value of x now is, we have here the value of x now, ln of the quantity, ln of 3 divided by ln of 2, all divided by ln of 3 halves. So this is our exact value of variable x. Now, to check our answer, so we substitute the value of x to the original equation. So we need to have that numerical value of variable x so we can verify our answer. So the numerical value of x now is equal to, decimal form, 1.13588. And this is just an approximate value since we rounded off the number. All right, so let's now check our answer. So now we're checking our answer and plugging in the value of x to the original equation. 2 to the power of 3 to the power x equals 3 to the power of 2 to the power of x. And on the left hand side of the equation now, we now evaluate. So the left hand side is equal to 2 to the power of 3 to the power of x, 3.48299. And the right hand side, 3 to the power of 2 to the power of x, where x is this value, is equal to 3 to the power of 2.19752. So the left hand side now, 2 to the power of this amount is equal to 11.18109. And the right hand side, 11.18107. So this is approximately equal. We have difference of 9 here and 7 here, so 2 points difference. So this just confirms our answer is correct. So this is now our final answer. This is the exact value and this is the approximate value. All right. And so that's all for now. And for those new to my channel and for those who have not subscribed to my channel yet, I would appreciate if you could hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting and informative videos. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye.